Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joseph Achede, Deputy Director, Senior Secondary Education. I am in charge of debate and other competitions at the Federal Ministry of Education. The 2025 Nationwide Inter-Secondary Schools Debate Competition, brought to you by Bring It On Africa in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Education, has been an inspiring journey of growth, innovation, and national impact. This year's edition marks a significant improvement from the maiden 2024 competition held in Makurdi, Benue State. This year's one is hosted in Abuja. Recorded an impressive turnout with 16 states registering for the event. Anambra, Enugu, Abia, Oyo, Osun, Ekiti, Niger, Benue, Nasarawa, Plateau, Jigawa, Sokoto, Yobe, Kaduna, Zamfara, and FCT. After a vigorous and fully virtual preliminary stage, another major innovation, 8 outstanding states qualified for the national rounds in Abuja. They are Anambra, Enugu, Benue, Nasarawa, Kaduna, Yobe, Plateau, and Osun. From the quarterfinals to the semifinals, the competition witnessed compelling argument, brilliant presentation, and unforgettable moments. Ultimately, Anambra State and Benue State emerged as the 2 grand finalists. Can we put our hands together for them, please? Having battled fiercely from the preliminaries all the way to the national stage. As we await the crowning of the 2024 national champion, it is important to recognize that this competition has transformed the landscape of debate in Nigeria. From the first time, our debates have gone fully digital. For the first time in Nigeria, our debates have fully gone digital with high quality production, giving Nigerians across the world access to rich educational content and elevating our youth debaters to across the world access to rich educational content and elevating our youth debaters to a global audience. This innovation has significantly boosted their confidence and visibility. While we celebrate the success recorded so far, we acknowledge that the journey to making debating and other extracurricular activities globally competitive is still ongoing. This project thrives on moral, technical, and financial support, and we invite more partners to join as we build the future of academic excellence in Nigeria. Plans are already underway for an even more remarkable 2026 edition. On behalf of the Federal Ministry of Education and Bring It On Africa, we proudly affirm that we came, we saw, and we conquered. We wish the 2 finalists the very best. As always, may the best team win. Both teams automatically qualify for the 2026 International Debating Season, marking another milestone for Nigeria, for Nigerian students, speakers on the world stage. This year's debate is streaming live on Niger Education TV, making it the most watched debate competition in Nigeria. Congratulations to all members of the National Planning Committee. Congratulations to all the participating states. And congratulations to our finalists. God bless you all. I wish you the best. Thank you. May the best team win. Can we put our hands together for our debaters, please? Wonderful children, wonderful people. I want to assure you that there is a level playing ground. That was what caused the delay earlier. Initially, we had a judge from Benue, a judge from Anambra, a judge from Imo. We said no. We want a level playing ground. Neutral judges that have nothing to do with the states participating in the finals. It caused a little delay, but it's better to get it right. Thank you very much, and God bless you.